Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about how to disable mail and reconnect mail via EMS. So last time we have did that graphically. This time we are going to do that via Exchange Management Shell EMS. So the same, the entire theory will remain same, nothing different, but it is how to do the thing via EMS, because we have a option to do that from EMS as well, via Exchange Management Shell as well. For example, go with the Microsoft Exchange Server 2010, and then you're going to get the Exchange Management Shell option as well. With Exchange Management Shell, you get the option to basically disconnect and reconnect the mail, and reconnect the mail with the same user, reconnect the mail to mailbox to the different user. That is totally up to you, as the policy will remain same. User, if you are disabling the mailbox, user will be remain active in Active Directory but will not able to use the services of a mailbox. If you are, for example, if you set the by default retention policy, then it is 30 days. It means the mailbox will remain active till 30 days. It means you can either assign to the same person, the same user of the Active Directory, or a different user of Active Directory. That is totally up to you. Now there is a command. First command will be like disable hyphen, then it's mailbox space, then hyphen identity, then space. So whatever mailbox you want to deactivate, for example, if I say the Simon King itself, then now there is a thing is that Simon King is a two word, and you have to put a colon on Simon King. Now if I say that Android itself, then need not to put a colon in the quotes. But once you say the Simon King, then you have to mandatorily put the quotes, otherwise your this particular command will get give you error. So like that, disable hyphen mailbox space hyphen identity space Simon space King, because Simon King have a space. Otherwise, if there is no space, you won't get the error. So this is the error you will get. So you have to mandatorily put the quotes, put Simon King in the quotes, because their words are two. Name is of two words. So hit enter. So Simon King will be disabled. It will ask you whether you want to remove a mailbox in a disconnected or not. You say yes, I want to. Put a yes over there. And if it wants to know, it wants to continue with the same, so no problem. Clear screen, and now you can check in the background whether Simon King has been moved to disconnected mailbox or not. So it's now refreshing, and it's loading. Yeah, Simon King is now moved. So that's the thing, and now it will be a disconnected mailbox. Now you can utilize the mailbox to either reinstate that mailbox to Simon King itself. You can provide the service to Simon King back. Otherwise, the Simon King will not able to use that mailbox. Now I want to reconnect the same mailbox. So the option is connect, then hyphen mailbox space hyphen identity, then space colon, that is Simon King, because the mailbox as of now remains with Simon King. So that's why I have to put the old mail, and then space hyphen database. This is the database, which is the MD1 in that case, because Simon King's mailbox do have the database of MD1. So make sure before you delete the mailbox, you find it out the what database it's had been. Then space hyphen user, then space. If you put Akash, there is no problem, because Akash is a single name and not double. If you have double, then you have to put mandatory the codes over there. So the account has been, now the mailbox has been assigned to Akash. When you see refresh, you can find it that Akash has been added out and it's moved out from disconnected mailbox. So this is how we can disable or reconnect the mailbox via EMS, Exchange Management Shell. Just two commands is requires and it will done the trick. Otherwise there is no issue. You can go with the graphical ones as well. The theory will remain same regarding the policy of disabling.